Welcome to my live demonstration video of the whole system. This way I'm going to show you both the front end, just like the one you are seeing, and the back end of the whole system. This video is not going to be in detailed, so I would advise you to enroll into the course and then take it from there. What you are seeing right now is my own web hosting called Solohost. I built this exact system using what you're about to learn in this full course. So right now, as you can see, users or people can enter their domain names here. So something like test name, and then choose a TLD. You can see .academy, so they can choose .com. So I simply click on it and then choose my TLD. I'll scroll down a bit and then choose .com because that is the domain name I want to register. And then I'll click on .com. After that, I'll click on search to see if this domain name is available or not. This is just like the regular web hosting providers we all know. It works just like that. Okay? So I'll go ahead and click on search and then wait for this system to load. Right now, you can see testname.com is not available. How do I know that? Because you can see transfer. It means they're asking me to rather transfer it from where I'm having it hosted to this hosting provider, which is my hosting provider. Those domain names that are available, you can see there's register attached to them. So I don't want that. I'll go ahead and add something to it. That way I can register this domain name. So I'll add solo to it and then search again and see the outcome. So I'll click on search and then wait. And now you can see this domain name is available. You see, they're asking us to register. So I can go ahead and click on register and then take it from there. Right after clicking on register, we are brought to a sign up form just like this. On top, users can enter their usernames, and below they can choose their data center. So it's always advisable they choose, or you choose the data center that is closer to you. So I can choose my data center here. So let's say UK, and then choose my currency. After that, I'll scroll down a bit, and then I'll be able to see the price, which is yearly. And then I can change my who is details here. I can scroll down and enter my account details, which is the owner's details. I can continue scrolling and then accept to the terms here. And after that, I'll click on create account. Immediately I click on create account, I'll be sent to or redirected to a payment gateway where I can enter my credit card details and then make purchase. Let me take you back there. And the next option is hosting. So you'll be prompted to add web hosting if you want. So I can click on hosting plan and then choose a hosting plan here. I'll show you how you can set up all these things inside of your panel. Okay? But not in this video. This is just a live demonstration video. On top, you can see semi-dedicated plans and other VPS plans. We have dedicated servers and we have SSL certificates. There are a lot of things you can offer or provide to your clients as a web hosting provider. One thing I like about this whole system is that users can choose their pre-installed application, something like WordPress, during their purchase process. So I'll go ahead and choose WordPress 6.0 like this and then continue the whole ordering process. Right after completing order, WordPress will be pre-installed on my server. Welcome to your master control panel. This is where you'll be managing the whole system from clients to domain names. On top, you can see client statistics. You'll be able to see the number of clients within the month as well as number of existing clients and websites hosted on your system. Below are some modules to manage your store. So the first one is My Stores, followed by My Office. There are a lot of modules here we can't cover in this single video. So I'll be talking about everything here in my other lessons. Okay, now let's talk about your hosting plans. Here are my shared hosting packages and prices. Now I'll teach you how to set up your own hosting packages and prices in my other lessons. So right now what you are seeing is a chart that displays your profit margins as well as the wholesale and your retail price. And everything here is calculated in a monthly period. It's a good practice to make sure your fee here is 0. If not, you run into loss. So to increase your price and your profit margin, all you need to do is using this raise profit by percentage. So you can increase your profit by percentage. So let's say 80%. So you simply enter 80 here and then hit enter. Or below here, you can click on set price. Immediately you do that, the prices will be adjusted. And you can see your prices are now adjusted. You can also increase price by or individually. So to do so, you simply enter the exact price here. So let's say $20. And then all you need to do is to hit enter. Immediately you do that, the profit margin or net profit will be increased. Okay, so there's something I want to explain to you in this part of the video. You're going to be serving as a reseller host, and that means you're selling other companies' resources to your own clients at a retail price. I hope that is simple. Don't worry, I'll be explaining and breaking every single step or process in my course. Okay, so the next thing we'll be talking about is domain names. Here is your domain's configuration and price adjustment page. This is where you can filter your domain names. So let's say you are looking for a .com domain name. So you type .com here, and then all domain names with the .com extension will be prompted. And this chart shows you your profit margins as well as your fee and your wholesale price. Okay. Now, what I like about this is you can have an advanced view. So click on advanced. This way you have a breakdown of everything you need to know. Okay, so let's go ahead and increase the price of this domain name. But I'll scroll down a bit because I'm looking for a .com domain name. So I'll simply change the price here, my profit margin, to something like 6. And then I can click on set price. Right after I do that, my net profit will increase. It's always good to at least not have high margin profits. If not, customers or your clients may not purchase these domain names. Okay, domain names are not all that expensive. So having a profit margin somewhere $5 and below is a good practice. Now let me take you to my web store or my landing page and show you how I built this website. So I'll simply click on visit store, and it will take me to a page just like this. Now this is where my customers are going to be seeing or visiting anytime they want to order domain name and web hosting. I did not build this from scratch myself. It's a template I use and customize it to look like this. In this course, you're also going to be getting this template totally for free. You're going to be starting this whole hosting business absolutely for free, no credit card required. The only cost to you will be knowing how I did it myself in this course step by step. So take action right now, and I'll see you in class.